Mphumelelo, he is older than Lwahle with a year or with some months. Their age is not different. Mayeni found out that Musamseleku was in a process to get married to Macele. She was already be pregnant. Mayeni's family, they didn't allow Mayeni to get married to Musamseleku because Musamseleku want to have polygamy. But those people, they continue seeing each other in private place until Mayeni, she was pregnant. And Musamseleku moved on quietly at that time. It means that Musamseleku was dating the two of them, Mayeni at the side and Macele at the side, until Mayeni, she get pregnant. And Mayeni, she found out that Musamseleku was in a process to get married to Macele. Macele was the first wife. So Mayeni, she got angry. They separated. Those people, maybe they have got maybe 5 years or 3 years they didn't see each other. Mayeni was raising Mphumelelo alone. So Musamseleku moved on with Macele because Macele was the wife who agreed that Musamseleku can have got polygamy. So that's why you see Mphumelelo and Lwahle, their age is not different because Musamseleku was dating the two of them at the same time until Musamseleku, he got married to Macele. Musamseleku, after that, he took Masaule and they back together because he go back again to Mayeni to talk to Mayeni because they already have got a child. Musamseleku have got a plan because Mayeni's parents, they didn't allow Musamseleku to get married to their daughter. Musamseleku gave Mayeni a child. He knows what he was doing. The same thing Musamseleku did to Makwela. He knows that when he gave a woman a child, that woman is always demanding money to him or the child what. There is no or excuse or what. Now Mayeni was being forced again to be back again with Musamseleku because when you have got a child together, Musamseleku knows how to play the game. He knows that when even Mayeni's parents, they didn't allow their daughter to get married to him, if he want Mayeni, he have to give Mayeni a child. Even Mayeni can stay long time without begging him, but one day people, they have got a child, they have got a bond. So that's why Mayeni and Musamseleku, they go back together after some years, or they are continuing seeing each other in private. We don't know because Macele, she is very hurt because of Musamseleku and Mayeni. Maybe Musamseleku, maybe they are seeing each other in private place, or Musamseleku came through to Macele that he want to bring Mayeni in Muzumbe what. So there is many things that they can't say on television. Those people, when they are telling their story on television, they don't tell the whole story, what's going on at the first time. So that's why you saw Mphumelelo, he is older than Lwahle, but those people maybe with some months, maybe about 6 months or 7 months, their age is not different. That's why you see those kids, they are like twins. But it's very hard to Macele that Musamseleku was continuing, or maybe he was dating both of them. I think he was dating both of them at the same time because Mayene's parents, they didn't allow their daughter to get married to Musamseleku. But those people, they love each other. Mayeni was seeing each other. Guys, Mayeni told Tirelo that she didn't listen to her parents because her parents told her before she have got pregnant with Mphumelelo that you have to leave your boyfriend Musamseleku. Mayeni didn't listen to her parents. She continuing dating Musamseleku until she got married. She got pregnant with Mphumelelo. Guys, Mayeni was going through a lot. Guys, imagine you can say maybe you are pregnant, or you are expecting maybe your boyfriend can change your mind that I can marry you. But Musamseleku was already moved on. And Mayeni, when she found out that Musamseleku moved on with another wife, Mayeni didn't accept it. You understand? That's why Mayeni, it took time to accept that Musamseleku is the polygamist. The way Mayeni, she was keeping go back to Musamseleku, it's about she loves Musamseleku, but her parents, they won't hear. That's why Mayeni was telling Tirelo that I didn't listen to my parents when they are telling me about Musamseleku. Now I'm on Eastern polygamy because I didn't listen to my parents.